Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Been asked a question by Simon of Milton Keynes about our manual siphon pump, the S1498. He's asked, do I have to keep pumping the top to keep the water flowing? No, Simon, you don't. So long as the water level that you're flowing from is higher than the water level that you're going into, you can pump just a few times and then it will keep on flowing water until it's run out. The air valve is done up tight. A few pumps to get the water started. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.